We got this nice house right here. Sprinklers are going to be put in soon, so we thought we better do something with these water pipes, get the water away from the house. We're gonna 45 it up right there. Here, 45 up. Use that for a rain gutter. Shoot it down. We're gonna try to keep it about 30 inches deep so don't freeze. What we're gonna end up doing is putting some perforated pipe in with some rock underneath it. Save your concrete foundation by putting in a drainage system. Seriously, we try to put these in every house that we build because it'll save us, the contractor, and the homeowner. We're going to begin by putting our corners together. We use Christie's Red Hot Blue Glue for all of our sewer projects that we do. Our favorite cutting tool to use for sewer pipe is the grinder with a cutoff wheel. It'll fit. Up to this point, we've just used our solid sewer pipe. Right here, we're gonna have our drainage system be right here. This is where we're gonna put our bed of rock in, and all this water that goes through these pipes is gonna drain down into the rock. So we need perforated pipe at this point. All of them? And we're gonna 45 this up so that we can install a pop-up drainage emitter system. Check out the link down in the description or the suggested videos at the end of this tutorial to see how to install that. Mark it up to know where your dig is gonna be at after you move this pipe out of the way. At the beginning of your pipe, we're going to shoot down for about 18-20 inches, and we're going to have that slope down just a little bit. I don't know, it's maybe we haven't found the footings yet, but right here we're going to be 18-inch. Right here's pretty dang good, but let me bump it over here. I'll be like so. Then for that bed of sewer rock that you're going to have under that perforated pipe, we want it down about another 30 inches. Not critical, doesn't need to be perfect. Yeah. It was one away, like, right around about, obviously, one more. We're going to add some weed barrier down the sides of where this perforated pipe and rock will be. This will help keep out the dirt and the mud so your drainage system can work for a very long time. Level your perforated pipe where that'll be, unlike the other slopes coming from the house. Right. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, there's one on the bottom too. Yeah, 1 sec, take a quarter. So it doesn't really push it on. Slide that first. That's fine. We like to bed that perforated pipe before we get it covered up. Also, to help this sprinkler install process, we're going to mark where we know these sprinkler pipes are going to be at, and we're not going to fill those in with dirt.
Probably going to just go right there with it. Yeah. I don't know.
Thanks for watching this tutorial. Check out these videos here. The one video will definitely show you how to get that emitter in so that you can finish your project. We highly recommend using them. Thanks.